Today, our group want to present about Cheong Logistic Company. Our group member's name is IZZATI binti Cik Ros, matric number A22A0633. Nur ARIFAH FATIHAH binti Muhammad Ros ISKANDAR A22A0656. AIDIL JOEHAR bin JUHARI A22A0736. LANGIT CAHAYA MALAM ABDUL KARIM A22A1024. And Nur AFRINA binti ABDUL KAHAR A22A0720.
Logistics is normally defined as material management and its distribution network. Established in 1923 as Cheong Mills, specialized in newspaper delivery and postal service across peninsular Malaysia.
2001, Cheong Transport expanded throughout the region, specializing in express cross-border and domestic delivery in Malaysia and Singapore. 2.0 Transportation. What is transportation? Transportation is often defined as actual physical movement of products or people from one place to another. Transportation has 5 different types or modes of transportation, which are A. Motor carrier truck, pipeline, rail and water. First, strategic alliance for Cheong Company provide reliable water and air transportation service for customers. Our freight delivery service is one of the most reliable overseas delivery service in Malaysia. Second, express delivery service are also performed by Cheong Company in Singapore, Brunei and China, supported by LANGIT Transportation. Cheong maximize transportation efficiency in express delivery service by providing integrated logistics service that optimize land, air and sea transportation. This allows for the fastest and most cost-effective door-to-door delivery. Third, Cheong use a variety of vehicles from 40-foot full-size curtain truck to 1-ton truck. This company provides a variety of options to meet the nature of goods and delivery needs of customers. Fourth, trucks are the most convenient means of transportation used for door-to-door service. Fifth, Cheong Company's strong network is supported by over 150 trucks and riders. The company's on-demand logistics service provides safe and fast delivery of packages of all types with complete transparency and no hidden costs.
Next is warehousing. Meaning of warehouse.
Warehouse logistics is an important part of any supply chain. Usually, the process of labeling and packaging is often done in the warehouse to facilitate the process. Warehousing in Singapore or capital cities like KL can be very expensive. At Cheong, they ensure customers are always protected with their heritage in delivering quality service. Support by a strong partner network strategically located and with fulfillment centers across Peninsular Malaysia, Singapore, Guangzhou and Brunei for more flexibility and faster access to local markets. These distribution centers are designed to manage your inventory, storage, reverse logistics, and distribution needs by their own WMS software and tracking system. In the warehouse as well, quality control and cross-checking of products is important to ensure that the products to be transported are according to the correct specifications. Our dedicated teams of inspectors across the region carry out rigorous inspections to ensure goods conform to your requirements before distribution. An efficient picking process is designed to fulfill orders before they are confirmed to avoid process errors and minimize costs.
Next is material handling. Material handling is the movement, protection, storage and control of materials and products throughout manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, consumption and disposal. Basically, how a company handle their material, handle their goods and handle their production. So, material handling divided by 4 dimensions. First is movement. How efficiently you can move your product from receiving to shipping. Next is time. Time is the length of time product remain in your storage. Next is quantity. Quantity is amount of product that fit into an allocated space. Last is space. Space is an actual amount of available space are the areas in which material handling can improve efficiency. So, how Hock Cheong handle the materials? Hock Cheong use three mode of transportation, which is by sea, land, and air. They have their own lorry, which is you can see on the slide. The HC lorry is the Hock Cheong lorry. They use cargo ship and cargo plane as well. So they also offer their warehouse facility to store your the corporate gift before delivering them to your client. So Hock Cheong company specialize in corporate gift, and they can handle a corporate gift being bought in bulk. Thank you.
Customer service are the assistance that you provide to your customer before and after they purchase and utilize your product or service, and also allowing them to have an easy and happy experience with the customer. Next, customer service is important to retain customer and to grow the business. This is to make it easier for a customer to find their answer at any time. In every company, customer service is essential. This because customer service gives high value to every company. Also, good customer service can help the company to operate well and give the best for its capabilities, which is essential to the company's success. The example of good customer service is good communication and timely and damage-free delivery. Company Hock Cheong is a company in Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei and China that provide a full range of door-to-door service. So if they have travel, Company Hock Cheong give many options to contact them, which is phone number, email address or fax address, or they can go straight to the location. Next, this company have a good return service and also have online tracking number. This is because customer can track the item and make it easier and for customer to know the item have arrived on web. This company is a 24 hours booking service. They want the item delivered on time. Company Hock Cheong also have the express delivery service, which is at Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei and China, that support by an efficient transportation system. This can fully utilize the vehicle. Lastly is customer service can choose to ship on the same day or not. If they decide on the same day, the item may arrive tomorrow because it usually takes less than 1 day. If they get express shipping option, the cost may be more expensive than standard shipping.
Facility location and logistics. Facility location and logistics is a proper location for a manufacturing facility. It will have sufficient access to customer, worker, transportation, and others. For commercial success, and the following competitive advantage are important factors. What is the purpose of selecting the facility location? The goal of an organization is customer delight because it requires access to customer at minimum cost. How can this goal can be achieved, and what is the function of a strategic location? This is achieved by developing a location strategy. The location strategy assists the company in determining product offering, markets, demands, forecasts, and different markets. The best location to access customer and the best manufacturing and service location. What about the placement of the facility location that was done by Hock Cheong? Hock Cheong has a network of companies in 4 countries, namely Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, and China. Hock Cheong has a total of a branch in 4 countries, where in each country there is a large port in the area to optimize business operation Hock Cheong company.
In conclusion, we can conclude that logistics is an important aspect in international trade. Without logistics, international trade will not happen. Second, the transportation in this company to supply the product from main port to the company or to individually for their customer. Warehouse of Company Hock Cheong are located at Kuala Lumpur. This is because they can put their product from overseas at warehouse before they ship the goods. Next, material handling on this company also to ensure that the items delivered is right amount to the desired destination at the right time and at minimum cost. They always provide the professional customer service to keep the customer with their customer.
Lastly, company Cheong is strategic locate. This because for their commercial success and competitive advantage for their company.